Buying a car should be exciting, not financially dangerous. One bad line on a contract can cost you thousands or even lead to repossession. In this video, I'll show you how to buy your dream car without going broke or underwater. Before signing, slow down and read every line carefully. Here's the roadmap: budget and FICO, out-the-door pricing, trade-ins and negative equity, financing versus cash, dealer traps, inspection, negotiation, and a final signing checklist. Then I'll share a plan to get your dream car the smart way. We'll cover each step clearly, one by one. Target a total car payment at or below 10–15% of take-home pay, including insurance. Prefer 36 to 60 months. Be cautious beyond 72. Keep 1 to 2K emergency cash after you buy. If the numbers don't work, adjust price, down payment, APR, or term. But don't just stretch the loan. Use clean cinematic visuals to reinforce key points. Your FICO controls your APR, and your APR controls your payment. Typical tiers: 720 plus. Excellent, 690, 719 good, 630, 689 fair, mar 629 poor. A tier jump can change your payment by 50–200 plugs monthly. Quick wins: lower utilization under 30%, ideally 10%, fix errors, avoid new inquiries, keep your oldest line open. Financial education connects everything we'll do next. Get pre-approved with a bank or credit union before you visit the dealership. That's your benchmark. If the dealer can beat it, great, in writing. If not, you already have a solid loan. Use pre-approval as your comparison anchor at dealerships. Negotiate the out-the-door price, the vehicle plus all taxes and fees. Ask for a buyer's order by email. OTD kills payment packing and surprise add-ons. With competing OTD quotes, you compare apples to apples. Keep paperwork tidy and verify names, VIN, and fees. Negative equity means you owe more than the car is worth. The dealer's line, "We'll roll your old loan into the new one," creates instant negative equity, higher payments, and bigger repo risk. Stay cautious. If something feels off, pause and ask. Treat your trade-in as a separate transaction. Get 3 written offers: CarMax, online buyers, a local dealer. If you're underwater, wait to break even, sell private, or bring cash to close the gap. Don't roll it. Choose slower depreciating models and avoid ultra-long terms. Check essentials with a simple, repeatable checklist. Financing preserves cash, can snag promo APRs, and builds credit, but interest adds up and can tempt overspending. Cash gives leverage, no interest, and 0 repo risk, but ties up liquidity. Don't drain your emergency fund. Keep 3 to 6 months' expenses. If you finance, do it at MSRP or below and within your payment cap. Watch for subtle tactics. Stay calm and deliberate. Common traps: payment packing, only talking monthly. APR markup, ask for the buy rate. Yo-yo spot delivery, don't take the car till funding is final. Mandatory add-ons: VIN etch, nitrogen, trackers, paint, fabric, often optional, market adjustments, and double destination on new cars. Small details matter. They often reveal bigger issues. Test drive, pull a history report, and get an independent pre-purchase inspection. Check tires, brakes, fluids, and confirm all keys and manuals. If they resist inspection or won't provide a line item OTD, walk. If pressure rises, breathe, step back, and reassess. Keep price, trade-in, and financing separate. Collect competing OTD quotes by email, and let sellers compete, politely. If the payment's high, change price, APR, or down. Don't just extend the term. Use your pre-approval as leverage. Highlight the best OTD quote and ignore distractions. Before you sign, OTD matches the quote. APR term correct, no prepayment penalty, no surprise add-ons, destination not duplicated, title, registration correct, insurance active. Consider gap only if low down, long-term, or fast depreciation. Price shop it. Confirm. Sign only when every box is correct. I'm not anti-dream car, I'm pro-plan. Save intentionally, grow your income, and time your purchase so you're never underwater. Consider lightly used to let the first owner eat depreciation. When the numbers align with your budget and cushion, go for it. A clean lower third emphasizes your next action. Want the math done for you? Use the Jetset Wealthstyle auto purchasing calculator to model price, taxes, FICO-based APR, down payment, and the exact down needed to hit your target monthly. And grab our income-boosting ebooks to stack cash faster. For all that and more, go to jetsetwealthstyle.com.